Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on the Steam application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam launcher on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be prompted to do so in the login section, where you can use your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the store page, from which if you wish to change your language, go ahead and click on the Steam option at the top left corner. From here, click on Settings. And now this will open up the Steam settings window. From here, click on Interface. And now you will see Steam Client Language option. Click on the drop-down menu. And now you will see various different languages that are available for the Steam application. Just click on whichever language you prefer to use. And this will immediately be applied to the Steam application. And you can come back to this window as many times as you want in order to change your language. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Steam application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.